Hi, this is Dr. Touch. I just got a delivery from UPS. If you think why it's dark outside, I was astonished myself. I never got a delivery that late, but the lady says they work from 5 until they have every package delivered. And nowadays everybody's ordering via internet, so they have regular sized ladies carry these big boxes. Yeah. So I was thankful for her to deliver it today. So I get a chance to unbox my new iMac. Just to show you, this is what I was using until now. 15-inch MacBook Pro plus an extra monitor. Very good to work with. But you know what they say, when you go professional, you need to have a fixed workstation with as big a screen as possible. And that's why I ordered this i7 iMac on Black Friday, and it just arrived. So let's see what we got. Got a small envelope here that I'll have to look at before. It's probably the Apple Care thing, some air. This we'll look at right away. Yeah, as I said, this is the Apple Care protection plan. Obviously for expensive hardware like that, I wouldn't go without it. Here we got the Tech Tool Deluxe from Micromat. So second thing in the box, they don't ship those anymore default with a remote, and this is one of the new ones. So you can see right away it's no longer white. It now has a aluminum look, if I can open this. Yeah. It's now very stylish, no longer this white plastic look. It's elongated, still has menu, play, pause, and the triangle. So it's like next, previous, and volume up and down. And there's also an additional button in the center. And the battery is in a round compartment at the back. So it's the remote. So now let's see the big box everybody's waiting for. So you are really recording? Okay, watch this. Okay. It's the difficult for guys who are as small as myself to lift this out, because it's very heavy and it's also not, well, let's get to it. So that's what you see if you look into a box like that. You can immediately see everything. The machine in styrofoam, there's the cable, and here a white box designed by Apple in California with the software, 2 CDs, everything Mac. Here's the keyboard with a latch. I got the wireless one because I don't need the numerical block, and the German one you can see ports. Now there's the cleaning cloth that Apple packages with every piece of hardware. Here's another magic mouse. I say another because it's not my first. Here's the numero uno. I showed it to you previously when I came out. I ordered it right away. Now I've got 2. And here are a couple of tips, fingertips, Mausgesten, on how to use the magic mouse. Okay, and that's about it, what we have in this white box. And now for the big guy. So I've got Stylo 1, Stylo 2. All that's left in the box is a power cable. Interesting. Okay. I'm going to quickly assemble all of that so that you can see it next to my other screen size, and we're also going to watch it boot the first time. I just hope it's not one of those devices that come dead on arrival, because i7, a few of those came and they were dead when they arrived, but I hope they fix this problem, so I won't be disappointed today. Okay, let's have a quick look what we got here. Headset, that seems to be the input, audio input for USB ports, one firewire port, one display port, because you can use it as a monitor for Macs as well, and that's a network cable. Kensington lock, here is the place where the power goes. If you could fit it. So, very nice. Okay, that's about it. Yeah, it's the easiest hardware setup ever. A bit of power and drum roll. There must be a power button somewhere. Yeah, here. Aha, you hear something? So it's not dead, it's alive, very much so. Whoa! That's a screen size, amazing. You just have a look at that. MacBook Pro 15-inch, iMac 27-inch, something like that. So you get, I don't know, that's twice, more than twice the screen estate. I'm flying through space. That's amazing. It's so amazing, you know. There you have it. It works flawlessly. Wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, everything there. I'm going to be moving my stuff from my MacBook to the iMac for regular work, but I won't bother you with that at the moment. That's the unboxing of my iMac i7. I hope you enjoyed it.